All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this warm up real quick. Starting with number 1. Here we have a rectangle, so we need to get down our formula for a rectangle as A is L times W. We have 6 for a length and 5 1/10 for a width. Multiply those together, you can use your calculator, and we should get 30 6/10 meters squared. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. This time we have a parallelogram. Remember that this red part out here is just showing that they're kind of extending what I like to say is like the floor, so they're able to measure how high that is. So we're starting with our formula of base times height. We have a base of 8 and a height of 5 7/10. Again, go ahead and use your calculator for that one, and we should have 45 6/10. And this one's also meters squared. All right, number 4, now we have a trapezoid. So let's get down our trapezoid formula as 1/2 times the sum of base 1 and base 2 times the height. Remember, our bases are the opposite parallel sides. So we have 6 plus 3 and a height of 5. Do what's in parentheses first. 6 plus 3 gives us 9. I'm going to go ahead and multiply my whole numbers first this time. And now for half of 45, you can either take the shortcut, divide 45 by 2, or you can multiply across to get 45 over 2. But either way, in the end, you are dividing 45 by 2, and that gives us 22 5/10 miles squared. All right, for number 4, we have a square. When you have a square, you should use the same formula as you use for a triangle, except every time you have a square, your length and your width need to be exactly the same. All sides are equal. So that one should give us 49 miles squared. And the last one, we have another pushed over parallelograms. Remember that red part is just an extension out to be able to show the height. So we have base times height, base of 2, height of 1, giving us 2 yards squared. All right, if you need any more help with that, make sure you reach out to me.